Baby girl, it's time to wash that wig. Give it a break. You don't have to wait to start making people uncomfortable with the smell of your wig before you know it's time to wash it. Because if you don't notice it, someone else will definitely notice it and it's nasty. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to wash your wigs at home in the simplest way with apple cider vinegar, and I'll also be giving you some tips at the end of this video. Hi, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I post a new video. If you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to wash your wigs by yourself, so you don't have to go to a salon to get it done, or you don't have to pay for it to be washed for you. This is even the best time to wash your wigs because you're not going anywhere, it's quarantine and we're all under lockdown. If a wig is dirty, it doesn't show on the wig. You only know a wig is extremely dirty when it starts to smell. This doesn't mean you should neglect your wig and wait for it to actually start smelling, or you wait for it to look old before you wash it or take care of it. If you don't care, we care because you're not the one perceiving it, it is us. We're the ones minding our businesses are the ones perceiving it, and it's not funny. Imagine going for an occasion and the person sitting down beside you has a musty wig. You won't even enjoy the occasion. Imagine the discomfort. You won't even be able to breathe well. You understand. So if you wear your wigs occasionally, you should wash them occasionally, like once in a month. If you wear your wigs once in a while, you should wash them once in a while, like once in 3 to 4 months. Okay, so enough of the talking, let's get into the tutorial. But if you've watched to this point and you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? First, you have to prep your wig. To do this, you mix 90% of water and 10% of your preferred oil in a spray bottle. I used olive oil here, and then you spray it on your wig. After this, you detangle the wig using a brush or a comb. You pour boiling water into a bowl, bucket, or whatever you're using, and add ACV and your preferred oil in it. I used olive oil here. You mix the water with a hanger or a stick because the water is obviously too hot for your hands, and then you put your wig in it and let it sit for about 30 to 60 minutes, basically till the water is cold. The ACV rinse or detox makes washing your hair easier as it helps to remove dirt faster, and you will literally see it work in about 5 to 10 minutes. This is how the water was after letting the wig soak for 1 hour. You don't even need to wash the wig at this point, you just have to rinse the ACV out, but I'm going to go ahead to wash the wig. When I do the ACV rinse, I like to use a lot of water while washing and conditioning because the ACV has removed 90% of the dirt and the wig is clean. So the work of the shampoo and conditioner is to remove the ACV smell, which would naturally go away within a few days. It also helps you to save your product because you'll be using a little amount. Soak your hair in clean water and add a little shampoo. It doesn't have to lather and you don't have to use too much shampoo because the ACV rinse has done 90% of the cleaning for you, so you don't have to bother. In this video, I will be using a mentholated shampoo because of the origin of this wig. If you want to see, or if you're yet to see how I revamped and assembled this wig from scratch, click on the card above. After adding few drops of shampoo on the wig, you would want to rub the shampoo in like you're massaging it, just so it goes round. If you skipped the ACV step, you would want to use lots of shampoo and conditioner when washing your wig. When you feel you've washed it enough, you rinse it in clean water. It's time to condition the hair. I'll be using a Tresemme hydrating conditioner for this. You put your wig in clean water and put some conditioner, then you allow it to soak for about 5 to 15 minutes. After allowing the wig to soak, you condition the wig the way you condition your natural hair. Then you rinse it off and then squeeze out the excess water from the wig. Lay your wig down on an old towel and squeeze it. Don't squeeze too hard. You can even choose to lightly pat it dry. For this method, you can also use an old cotton t-shirt if you have one. Air dry your wig overnight, or at least for 12 hours, if possible for 1 to 3 days. This will give you more time to dry. You can either hang your wig upside down on a cloth hanger or hang it inside out on your dummy head if you have one, like I did in this video. If you need your wig urgently, you can use a hand dryer to speed up the process. I let my wig air dry for 2 days and then I brushed it. This is how neat and new your wig should look without any hair product in it. You should really see a difference, and this is because of the ACV rinse. There's so many videos on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media you use, on how to wash and take care of your wigs in different ways. If after watching all those videos, including this one, and you still feel you don't want to do it yourself, or you just want to risk it, you're not into this kind of thing, you can either bring your wigs to me or take them to a salon to get them washed for you. Besides, if you like my hair and you'd like to get it, I'll leave a link in the description section. It's a Bohemian curl ponytail and it's amazing. This is also the hair I used in my last video. If you've not watched it, click on the card up here to watch it. Yes, up here. Okay, click on the card to watch it. And also, if you want a tutorial on how I did it like this or like this picture I'm going to put here like this, leave a comment. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, comment, share and subscribe for more good stuff, more quality content. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed week.